Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the monolithic application and the key challenges we are facing when we are using the monolithic application. In this session, we will be learning what is microservices. Okay, let's see the definition of microservices. What is the definition of microservices? Microservice is an architecture style. A microservice is an architecture style, or it is an approach, okay, to build a single application as a suite of small services. For example, so this is our banking suite is our monolithic application. Okay. Now we want to convert these monolithic application to the suite of small services. What I'll do is I'll take this customer management module as a single service, microservice. Account management as a one microservice. Similarly, all these modules will be converted into the respected microservices, and every microservice will be using the single database. Okay. Likewise, I have did over here. Let me show that one. So what I did is, what is the definition? Microservice is an architecture style to build a single application as a suite of small services. So these are the small services, and these services are independently deployable on its own servers, and each service will be having its own database as well. And if tomorrow, if they want to communicate, if the customer management wants to communicate with the transaction management, a transaction service, so they can communicate through a HTTP protocols. We have a lightweight protocol, HTTP. Okay. And we can use the REST API as well to communicate with it. Okay. So here you can see in the next diagram, I'll show you. So here a service is making a call to the another service using the HTTP protocol. Okay. So that's what the definition of the microservice. Okay. In the next session, we will be learning the key features of the microservices. Okay. Until then, thank you for watching.